How to create a video playlist using OBS Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Gil Herme from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to create a video playlist in OBS Studio. This type of setup can be used in various industries nowadays. One example is medical or dental offices where videos play in waiting rooms for patients. Another is indoor TVs in city locations and supermarkets showing ads and offers. Basically, this video playback method can be used in many situations. Remember, we offer products that can do this without leaving a computer on, like our web TV plan. To see our plans, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. To set this up, we'll open OBS. Let's create a source within a scene. In the plus icon, select VLC video source. Here we can name the source. This section shows the playlist. Click the plus icon and choose Add Files. Insert videos to play in sequence. Select this option for random playback. Keep this option for loop playback. Click OK to add the list to OBS. Below are pause, stop, next, and previous buttons. Check description for our free live streaming course. Just sign up and follow along. See card for OBS live streaming tutorial. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and follow our socials.